for tags on your door. Vandals artwork you just can't ignore. Don't let it linger, don't let it stay. Make that ugly marking go away. If you have graffiti, here's to what to do. Call tags and we will come to you. Oh, 433, tag off again for the free, 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 free fraud. We clean anything, yes we do. From brick to concrete, metal to wood, we'll clean it up like you knew we would. For full details and what we can do, check our site and we'll see you soon.